Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for kids who love to create and explore, the Elmer's Celebration Slime Kit. We found this exciting kit online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what the Elmer's Celebration Slime Kit actually is. This all-in-one kit comes packed with everything kids need to make their very own slime. It includes an assortment of liquid glues and magical liquid activators, totaling 10 unique components. This means your little ones can experiment with different textures, colors, and effects, making their slime creations truly one of a kind. One of the standout features of this kit is how it encourages creativity. With options like metallic, glow-in-the-dark, color-changing, translucent, glitter, crunchy, and confetti glues, children can mix and match to create a variety of fun, tactile slimes. This not only makes the process enjoyable but also stimulates their imagination. The tactile nature of slime is perfect for sensory exploration, allowing kids to engage their senses while crafting something they can play with afterward. Safety is always a concern when it comes to children's crafts, and the Elmer's Celebration Slime Kit shines in this area as well. The liquid glue is washable, non-toxic, and safe for kids, ensuring that parents can feel confident letting their children dive into this creative activity. Cleanup is a breeze, making it a great option for parents who may worry about messes. The kit features all-in-one activators that allow kids to transform glue into slime without needing any extra ingredients. This simplicity is a huge plus, especially for younger children or those who may be new to slime making. With everything included in the kit, kids can start crafting their slimes right out of the box. So, who is this kit suitable for? The Elmer's Celebration Slime Kit is perfect for children aged 6 and up. It's ideal for birthday parties, playdates, or even as a fun activity during family gatherings. You could set up a slime-making station at a birthday party, where kids can take turns creating their own slimes, or simply enjoy a quiet afternoon crafting with siblings or friends. It's also great for parents looking for creative activities that promote fine motor skills and encourage imaginative play. In practical terms, this kit can turn a dull afternoon into a colorful adventure. Kids can explore different slime recipes, experiment with colors and textures, or even create themed slimes for holidays or special occasions. For example, imagine a spooky glow-in-the-dark slime for Halloween or festive confetti slime for New Year's Eve. The possibilities are endless, and each creation becomes a unique masterpiece. Additionally, the Elmer's Celebration Slime Kit is not just about making slime, it's a gateway to learning. As children mix different glues and activators, they can learn about science and chemistry in a fun and engaging way. The tactile experience of playing with slime also aids in sensory development and can be a calming activity for children who may need a little extra help in focusing. Overall, the Elmer's Celebration Slime Kit is a wonderful option for any child who enjoys arts and crafts. It provides endless opportunities for creativity while ensuring safety and ease of use. Whether your child is a seasoned slime maker or trying it for the first time, this kit is sure to inspire hours of imaginative play.